G'day campers, welcome back to 1010 Adventures. And today I'm at Elevateautostyling in Epping. And with me today is Paul, one of the owners. You're a co-owner, am I correct?
Co-owner, yep.
Beautiful. These guys are going to tint, dark as legal, the windows of the Gren. It's only the first time we're going to be here. There is a plan to come back in a couple of months and do a full PPF wrap, but we'll talk about that more probably in a future episode. Paul, tell us a little bit about Elevateautostyling.
Yeah, so basically we do everything car customization from colour change vinyl wraps, business signage, PPF, window tinting obviously. Yeah, pretty much anything customization where you go to.
Awesome. And I've seen you've got some pretty impressive cars that have come through here. There was a Lamborghini parked out just before, so it's not like these guys are doing, somebody's taking a Lamborghini here. These guys are doing good work. So I'm going to let Paul and the guys take care of my car for the next couple of hours. How long do you reckon it's going to take to do a full window tint?
Something like this, probably 2.5, 3 hours.
Oh, quick and easy.
Yeah, in and out.
Beautiful. Well, my boss has barely got me back to the office and then he'll be back here to pick it up. That's awesome. Well, I'm pretty confident she's in good hands. Paul, thank you very much for doing this for me. If people want to come here and get a window tint or get a PPF wrap, how do they get in touch with you?
We're on social media, Instagram, Facebook, at elevateautostyling.au, or you can give us a call 0440 136 283.
And I'll put all that in the description below. We'll be back here in a couple of hours to see what the finished product looks like. But I think it's in good hands.
It'll look good.
We're back, and she's done. Mate, I got to tell you, that looks a million times better than it did.
Sure does. Can't go wrong with window tint.
Nah.
Just makes the car look a lot more cleaner, more, yeah, just so much better.
Yeah, it's going to be, and hopefully keep it a little bit cooler over summer.
Yeah, definitely, especially with the nano ceramic tint that you chose. Definitely blocks the heat a lot more than the standard carbon.
Yeah, so what is it, the nano ceramics, like, 90-something% of UV?
99% UV, yeah.
Yeah, so, and a lot of heat, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm like, no, thank you, that is absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for taking good care of her.
Yeah.
I know I've got a few little things I've got to be mindful of, no winding down the windows for the next couple of days, because we don't want to damage the film. But that's apparently very, very normal. So, yeah. And of course, anything goes wrong, just bring it straight back to you. And
yeah.
Yeah.
Bring it straight back, we'll sort it out.
Can't ask for more than that. So I guess the next time we'll be seeing Paul and the guys is when we do eventually get around to wrapping this, but I'm not ready to hand this over for 5 days. I'm still enjoying driving it too much. But yeah. I do want to try and get it done before I get too hardcore off-road and protect that paintwork from too many scratches.
Yeah.
But it might have one or two by the time you get it.
It's better late than never.
Yeah, yeah. No, awesome. Paul, thank you so much for doing this for me today. I know we organised this a little bit in advance, but you guys squeezed me in just when I needed it. So thank you very, very much. If you are based in Melbourne and you do want a window tint or a wrap for your car, make sure you check out Elevate Auto Styling. These guys have done an amazing job. I'm looking at some of the other cars they're doing here, and yeah, they are a really, really professional job. So check out their link in the description below. Keep an eye on their Instagram. I'm pretty sure the beast will be in there along the line.
Yeah.
Other than that, Paul, thank you so much, mate. Really, really appreciate it.
No worries.
Hopefully we get some business your way.
For sure, that'll be good.
Tell them I sent you. All right, guys, that's it for another episode. This is episode 1 of the build video. Moving on from here, there's a couple more things happening. I've got some parts on the way. Going to be a bit of electrical work to do to get this ready for towing the caravan for a bit of a trip after Christmas. So keep watching this space. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.